I'm here to talk about my experience. I started my internship 2 weeks ago, and Marina was the one that introduced us and started this internship program.
I'm interning at GTA. I'm doing my internship in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, also known as MOFA.
We are the interns at EcoBank.
I'm here for an internship at Camp Mamu.
I'm an intern from Marina in M.I.S.
I'm interning at Africa.
The first day was kind of stressful with all the children running around and stuff like that, but it has taught me how to be more patient.
My first week was amazing. Everyone in this building is just amazing.
Experience here in Camp Memo has been good so far. This is my third day here and it has been perfect.
This experience helped us learn about the bank as a whole, including different departments and how they work together.
I have been able to gain a lot from this internship.
Overall, the experience has been great, and having to work with professionals has really cleared the pathway for my future career goals.
Last, I was in the X-ray. We learned a lot.
I've learned basic skills in the IT department, the audit department, and the tax department.
Teaching me things like coding on HTML and CSS, and it's been a really enjoyable experience.
The workers here are really nice. They make it a really comfortable working environment, and I've really had a great time.
Here at QTV, it's nice, everyone's lovely, everyone is friendly. They teach you how to do things that you didn't know before.
I was first at the pediatric ward where I met a doctor named Dr. Polino. He was really kind. And also I went to the nursing department. That was a week after. I met two nurses, three by the way, Princess, Ramatulai, and also Penda. And they actually treated me well.
I had the opportunity to meet with Dr. Miguel, who was really helpful. And I also got the opportunity to meet people that are really educated, people that have gone to the medical school. That really helped me and all.
Since I started my internship, I am very sure that I want to become an auditor, because before coming here, I didn't know what I want to be in the future. But now I can actually tell that I want to be an auditor.
It helped us improve our communication skills. It helped us grow professionally and personally. It has helped us a lot in deciding what we would like to be in the future.
I've been able to improve on many aspects in my life. Like, for example, my social skills. I've been able to interact with people and learned how to cooperate with them.
And it has also helped me through my journey of becoming a gynecologist, because I've always wanted to become a gynecologist. Having the opportunity to come here, Medicare, has helped me to, it is an eye-opening for me, basically.
With the students from Marina, they have been really helpful, and in all departments, they have been doing extremely well, and we appreciate Marina for their internship with us.
So far so good. They have been very good. They have been willing to learn. All the batches that we had are very positive. Yeah, so they have all been cooperative. They're doing their work as required.
Even from these companies, they are positive concerning our students, their comportment, and they have been telling us they are so helpful, they are punctual, they are obedient. That's a very positive one for our school.
I think that this is a great opportunity that Marina has opened us to be able to get insights and into the real world, and to also gain a lot of work experience.
I thank Marina International School for giving me this opportunity.
And thank you to Marina too for letting this experience happen. Thank you.
I would like to tell a big thank you to Marina International. They've played a vital role in me having my internship in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
I appreciate Marina so much for giving me this internship.
We thank Marina International School for giving us this opportunity to do our internship at EcoBank.
I'm thankful to AfriCell for accepting me here so I can learn something new.
We also thank EcoBank a lot. We're very grateful for the support, the guidance. We're really very grateful.
Thank you so much.
And I also like to thank MOFA, Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Gambia and Gambians abroad, for welcoming me and being kind and helping me throughout my whole journey in MOFA. Thank you.
I will always recommend
DTA to people outside.
And I appreciate you guys. Thank you to Africa.
I thank Medicare as well.
Really useful, and I hope to come here again. Thank you so much to QTV and to Marina International School.
And I think I might come back after this. Thank you.
I'd like to start by congratulating all of our students from Form 4 to Form 7 who've been involved in the internship program this summer. We've placed students with 10 companies here in the Gambia. This ranges from technology to financial to hospitality, all sorts of different experiences. And I've been reading the reports from the students and from the companies themselves, and it's been a very great success. It's really important for our students to get these experiences, which can't honestly be replicated too easily at school. The actual reality of working in a busy workplace and understanding the pressures and requirements which that entails. So we're delighted for the children. We're also extremely grateful to all of the companies who've offered spaces to the children and made this possible. I'd be absolutely thrilled if any of our community who are interested in participating in this type of activity in the future would like to get in touch. We'd be delighted to hear from you and really like to extend the range and the possibilities that the children can get involved with in next year's program. But also let's remember that this is a really important part of nation building, ensuring that our young people leave the school with the skills and the experience necessary to slot into the workplace and be a success from day one. So well done, and thank you to everybody involved. Really appreciate it.